Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to convert Binance Peg to Ethereum in Trust Wallet. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, what you need to do is to open your Trust Wallet. So launch the Trust Wallet app on your mobile device and ensure you have the latest version installed. After that, just go ahead and add Ethereum as a custom token. So if you haven't already added Ethereum or ERC20 to your Trust wallet, you will need to add it as custom token. Tap on the Settings or Manage Wallet option in Trust Wallet, find Ethereum in the list of supported cryptocurrencies and enable it by toggling the switch. Now obtain your Ethereum wallet address. In Trust Wallet, navigate to your Ethereum wallet and copy your wallet address. You will need to you will need this address to receive the converted Ethereum. Now deposit Binance Peg Ethereum or BEP20. Open your Binance account and navigate to the wallet section. Search for Binance Peg Ethereum or BEP20 or simply ETH and click on the deposit button. Select the BEP20 network for the deposit. Now enter Trust Wallet address. In the Binance Deposit interface, enter your Trust Wallet Ethereum wallet address that you copied in the past step. Okay? Double check the address to ensure its accuracy. Now initiate the withdrawal. After confirming the correct withdrawal address, specify the amount of Binance Peg Ethereum you want to convert to Ethereum. Review the withdrawal details and fees, if any, and submit the withdrawal request. Now wait for the conversion. Once you initiate the withdrawal, it may take some time for the transaction to be processed on the Binance network. Monitor your Trust wallet to see when the Ethereum tokens are credited to your wallet. The last one is verify the Ethereum balance. After the conversion is completed, check your Trust wallet Ethereum wallet balance to confirm that you have received the Ethereum or the ERC20 tokens. So please note that the conversion process may involve network fees and withdrawal limits imposed by Binance. It is essential to review and understand the associated fees and terms on the Binance platform before initiating the conversion. Additionally, ensure that you have the reliable internet connection and that you are using the official Trust Wallet and Binance platforms to perform the conversion securely. And that is how you convert Binance Peg Ethereum to Ethereum ERC in Trust Wallet. So that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.